So policy decisions to ignore prevention of a risk or to ignore mitigation of a risk are key to understanding how and why health disparities become systemic. Also very important is the system itself. Why? Well, referring to the system and blaming the system are two of the ways that individuals acting in roles with decision-making power normalize health disparities as part of U.S. society, and in doing so, draw attention away from the preventable aspects of health disparities. So they frame these health disparities as inevitable when they're not. We need to keep in mind that macro-level effects, these larger global or societal level effects, are inextricably connected to action at the meso, the middling group level, and micro levels, the individual level. So returning to the system here, this means we cannot look at the system as operating independently of individuals and groups within it. When we talk about the system or systemic effects, we cannot forget to account for how the system and these effects are upheld, how they came to exist in the first place. Actions of powerful individuals, especially those linked to powerful social groups like political parties, are important agents in upholding systemic inequality.